This Clarke Raider 15-1050 V-twin air compressor offers a fantastic combination of performance, safety, and value for money. This twin-output compressor, with its large receiver, is suitable for DIY and trade applications and has a high rate of delivery, making it perfect for large-scale paint spraying, tire inflation, blow cleaning, nailing, stapling, and more. It features twin-output pressure gauges, a regulator, and automatic stop-start control, all to ensure that the air output can be controlled to meet your air tools needs. The 15-1050's automatic stop-start control offers the user greater control for the job in hand, and also ensures that the motor only runs when it has to. This reduces energy usage, prolongs the lifespan of the motor, and saves you money. The 3 horsepower, 230-volt motor drives a 14.5 cubic foot per minute V-twin compressor to a maximum pressure of a whopping 8 bar or 116 psi. To help extend the life of your air tools, the air delivery pipe is heavily finned to ensure a cooler air supply. The 100-litre air receiver offers a large capacity and is protected by a fully automatic pressure switch. A drain valve is located beneath the receiver to remove any accumulated condensate. The Raider 15-1050 comes complete with wheels, a handle, inlet air filters, regulator, twin gauges, and a safety valve. The Clarke Raider 15-1050 air compressor, the ideal compressor for DIY, hobby, and trade users for spraying, inflating, blowing, air tools, and more.